With the RS Blacktraction, it's very easy, fast and convenient. Renew, clean and protect. Neoprene sunroofs of car, boats and many more. The application is very easy. The product must be applied on dry and not overhead material, and any minutes after application must be uniformed with a cotton cloth. The finish is immediately waterproof and will be dry to touch, resistant to aggressive cleaner and degreaser after absorption, with the most longer duration of effect of many months. The product is not corrosive, don't contain silicone and wax, and when the effect is finished, it's renewable. The application counteracts the aging of neoprene and PVC because enrich the material and maintain the elasticity.